Hello, what's up guys, welcome back to another video tutorial. So in this video I'm going to teach you how to apply for Instagram verification. Okay, so if you want to learn how to request for Instagram verification, here's the video. So what I'm going to do is to open up my Instagram application. All right, so after I open my Instagram application, I want to head over to my profile. So from here I'm going to tap on the three lines at the top. So after that I click on the settings and privacy. So from here I got to click on creator tools and controls, and then from here I'm going to look down and then see request verification. So I'm going to click on that. Alright, so from here the first step is to confirm authenticity. Okay, so from here I got to put in my full name. Alright, so here you need to select a document type for your account, a document that is officially owned by you. So just click on document type and then choose the type of document that you have. If it's a driver's license, you can select on that. So I'll go with national identification card. Alright, so from here I go to click on add files because I need to upload the picture of my document. So I'll click on open a photo. Alright, so from here I got to scroll and then look for my files. I'm gonna look for my ID card, my national ID card. Alright, I found it, so I'll click on the national ID card. So it's being added. The next thing I want to do from here is to click on add file again because I need to also upload the back side. Alright, so I'll click on open a photo and then still scroll down because I need to submit both the front and back of my document. So I'll click on this one too. So the two sides have been uploaded. The next step is step 2, where it says you should confirm your notability. Okay, so here you go to select a category. Alright, select a category for your account. If you're a musician, you select on music. Then you select on the second option which says country or region. Select on that and then search for your country from the search tab. Alright, after you select your country, you can also decide to tell Instagram the type of audience that you have on your account, then also known as, which is your other names and then your nicknames and other things, you understand. So you can see that there are bracket in optional, so you can leave these ones, they are optional. Then the links is also optional, but if you have your links, you can add your social media links right over here. You can just tap on type and then select the type of link you want to add to these sections. Okay, after you select, maybe you select on social media, then you go to click on URL and then copy the social media URL that you want to add the link right over here. Okay, but make sure that before you consider your process or your application or request to be accepted, you need to be notable. You need to be a public figure or an entity. You should be discoverable in Google search and then Google News. So with all this stuff, I promise you at the end of the day you're gonna get verified. Okay, these are just the simple criteria. So you just tap on submit just like I did. So it will synchronize or load for some time. Then you got to wait before you go out from here. Just wait till it gets to this level where it says request submitted. Okay, now you got to tap on done, and then that is it, guys. So if you think this video was useful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more important videos. Okay guys, peace out.